Yeah, 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 yeah. What's good, what's good, what's good, what's good, guys? So I'm back. It's your boy Ant on the go-go. I can help you step your style up. I can help step your game up. How you guys doing today on this beautiful day? How you guys doing? So, I'm coming to you. I just want to shout out to everybody that always been watching my videos. If you're new to the channel, you know, I do many different things. I do game collecting. I'm an entrepreneur. You know, check me out, basically. Tune in, you know, check out all my videos I have in the description below. Check it out. I'm really cool, and I'm a people person. And honestly, yeah, I love to work with many different people. So, yeah, let me know, guys. Definitely reach out. And I got these brand new Adidas. Now, let me tell you, Adidas, I never would imagine that. Like, Adidas, like, this year been back to back, like boom, 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 like boom, boom, like a lot of releases. I'm like, yo, back to back. This year so far for releases for sneakers wise, been great. It's been a great run. I'm not even gonna lie. They got Nike going crazy. Now you have Adidas. What? Adidas? 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 So these are the Sambas, right? Now, let me know if you wear Sambas. Now, Sambas been going crazy, you know, all last year. It's been going crazy all last year. And this year, they starting it strong with a brand new silhouette. So, you know, who remembers last year they had the leopard print Samba? Guys, so, you know, these are the leopard print Sambas, right? But they had another one. Who remembers from last year, the Sambas leopard print? Right, it's a leopard print, right, and it is called the Wells Bonner. So yeah, the Wells Bonner Adidas, you know, came out last year, and the Wells Bonner leopard print went crazy. Right now, if you go on, you know, eBay, you can see it for like $500 right now. So that's why they came out with this version, a cheaper version, you know, Wells Bonner, you know, it's really fire. I'm going to show you a picture. But, yeah, these sneakers right here, the Wells Bonner, this is what, you know, they was going crazy for. But then these now, they was going crazy because they, you know, back then the Wells Bonner was really limited. I mean, I had a pair, but I sold it super fast. You know what I'm saying, guys? Sold it super fast. So, you know, I guess, you know, these Sambas, everybody seemed to love. And I'm like, wow, why? I'm like, you know, all the women, oh my God, the women love Sambas. They just love leopard print. You know, the ladies love leopard print. Like, if you, you know, this is a great V-Day gift, you know, a great V-Day. All the ladies would love this. You know, leopard print. What can you know, you can't lose. And you get an extra shoelace. Oh, man, an extra shoelace. That's amazing. With the leopard print, with the tongue. I love this. This is a nice leather tongue. I like this. With the Adidas logo. Really fire, guys. Really fire. Then you got the orange shoelace to match, to go with the, you know, the leopard. That's fire with the Adidas 3 checks. You know, 3 stripe, I should say. 3 stripes, which is cool. And then this is like you know, the material is really dope. I love the leopard print. I like this material. It's a really furry material, which I like. And let me know, ladies, do you like these? The leopard print Sambas? What do you think? You know I have to do a smell test, right? You know I got to do a smell test. Woo! Now, these smell fire. Super fire, guys. Super fire. Woo! Bow, 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 bow. Woo! Ooh, ooh. Hey, hey, hey. I got my Wells Bonner. I ain't got my Wells Bonner, but I got my leopard print Sambas. Leopard print Sambas. Bam, 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 bam. Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. What do you think? What do you think about this? Honestly, I rate this. If I would have to do it 1 out of 10, for me, honestly, For the ladies, I'll do a 9. These are 9. I like these silhouette for the ladies. The ladies would love it. Nice little hint of orange. Leopard print. Leather. The inside of it is leather. It's like a nice soft leather material inside. Of course, guys, I'm going to show you up close look of these. But yeah, you can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong with these. Oh, man. Make sure you get your pair now. These was pretty limited, I'm not going to lie. They had it at Adidas, so maybe check your close Adidas store. Or maybe check your, your consignment stores and stuff like that. Hey, man. Or better yet, come to me. Come to me. I have many pairs. I had a lot of pairs. I have a few left. But yeah, guys, definitely let me know. These are flying like water. Oh, man, like water. Like coconut water. Like coconut water. This is flying. So let me know in the comments. Do you like these? Ladies, would you wear these? Fellas, would you get these on V-Day for your chick or your homegirl? Let me know. Me, I would get it for her. Why not? You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So yeah, guys, this is an up close look of the Adidas leopard print. And as you can see, I have many different sizes. I had a whole lot of sizes. These flew so fast. Oh man, a lot of the ladies really loving this. I cannot lie, guys. The ladies love the Sambas. Let me know what your thoughts on these. These are super creative. The leopard print is amazing for the ladies. These would be cute for the summertime, for the ladies. But let me know your thoughts. I think it's super fire. I think these are 10 out of 10. It comes with extra shoelaces. I think these are pretty comfortable on, for the ladies. And yeah, maybe they'll make a men version. But so far, I guess these are only for women's. But yeah, really fire, really fire. The details. Look at that. Wow. Look at that detail, guys. Just amazing, amazing. Let me know, did you get a pair on Adidas app? I didn't. I got these in store. And let me tell you, it was crazy. It was crazy. It wasn't easy. Woo! Bang, 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 bang. It's a movie. It's a movie. It's a movie. Movie. Yeah, guys. Thank you for always tuning in. I appreciate every one of you guys for always liking, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. And yeah, it's a journey with you guys, and I'm going to do a huge giveaway. I've been meaning to do a big giveaway for all my subscribers, and I will do it. I got you guys. And yeah, let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Hey, hey, hey. Keep it roll. Roll. Keep it rolling. Keep it. Keep it. Hey, keep it. Hey, keep it. Hey. Yeah, this is dope. So you already know, fellas and ladies. I see you guys later. It's Ant on the Go-Go. Over and out. Make sure you get your Sambas, okay?